The tarmac road used to end at Soroti. We repaired all the road from Tororo up to Soroti, but we extended it to Dokolo, to Lira, to Kamdin. So that one is bringing the tarmac road nearer to you people. But now we are going to bring the tarmac from Katine to Ochero here, up to here. It is 73.5 kilometers. We already have the money. The government is now looking for the contractor to do the work. And later on, I want to extend this tarmac road from Ochero to Amoratal and to Namasare. And to Dokoro from Amoratal. Now the electricity, you have it now, but you say it is on and off. I'll find out what the problem is. Because we have got enough electricity in the country now, the problem could be the old wires, which need to be replaced. But that one is already moving. So in the coming government, let's all agree that we provide free education in government schools. Do we agree on that? Very good. So my 4 words for today. My four words. Number 1, Kuch. Number 2, Donglobo. Number 3, Abar. And number 4, free education. So in the coming government, let's all agree that we provide free education in government schools. Do we agree on that? Very good. So my 4 words for today. My four words. Number 1, Kuch. Number 2, Donglobo. Number 3, Abar. And number 4, free education. Now you heard about the BKK. Buyende, Kagwara, Kaberamaido. The ferry is already available. The construction is taking place. I think they are finishing the running sites. Now, all this is on the side of economic infrastructure.
Of insecurity in this area, there was too much poverty, there was no development, but as we speak today, the area is developed. We have total peace. Unlike before when we had a cattle rustlers, we had rebels, we had all of them. But now we have total peace. The area is developed. We have wealth creation. We have factories here that are creating jobs. There is private sector here. One thing I can assure the country, that Teso has transformed a lot. And because of the transformation that is in Teso, we can assure you of 95% support from Teso.
We are happy we are celebrating his presence here today. We have got a lot. The people in the local areas, all the women, men, the youth, they are pleased because they have got PDM. There are so many people who have got money for PDM. Although there are those who are the good, but many have got and are yet to get. Secondly, we have got very many seed schools in this regime. We got a Perukira seed school, we got a Loa seed school, Oriamo seed school, Swagere community school, so we are very happy.
The ferries are already made, only that the pyre for the landing of the ferry have not been made, but 2 ferries have already been tested. Actually, they've already tested them. Those are things that have really worked for us, even in this place.
Right now, you can move from Kaberamaido. You can have breakfast in Kaberamaido, have lunch in Kampala, and again come back and have supper in Kaberamaido. That is the infrastructure we are talking about. Talk about peace. Some of us, during those days when we're growing up, We would not sleep in houses because the Karamojong would attack. There is Konyo on the other side. There are these rebels this way. But now you sleep and wake up the time you want. When we were growing up, we would see lame children all over the place. But right now, because of the way NRM has handled the health sector, especially immunizing our children, you can see the numbers of youth, I think worldwide.
For improved education in Kaberamaido, Your Excellency, we pray that your government will priorities construct on Your Excellency. We pray that your government will prioritize construction of the seed schools in all the new sub-counties in the district of Kaburepoli, e.g. Okile Sub-county and Ochero Sub-county. Health services. Your Excellency, we thank you for the district hospital that your person population. There is a need for extension of health services through the constructions of health centers, 3 in the new sub-counties of Kaberamaido, Okile, Ochero, and Oriamo. We also kindly request you to elevate the health center 3 that serves Ochero constituency to a health center 4 to serve the people of this constituency and parts of Dokolo, Amulatar. Your Excellency, in memory of your rally here, we request that this host primary school be supported with a classroom block and a fence.
Congratulations, and make sure you support the president, you support NRM, and also support all the flag bearers. Thank you very much. The next one is going to be Ochero Francis. Okulo Francis from Ochero. Congratulations, Banda Honorable. May God bless you. Let the people support you. Support the president. Kaberamaido County. Enareboye. Edakasoye. The next one is going to be a joke album. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Now the flag bearers will assemble and take a photo. The flag bearers and Maama will say thank you for being the father of the fatherless, the father of the orphans, of the new converts from other political parties. Those who have appreciated him to appear before His Excellency the President. The whole of, thank you very much, the Chairman NRM, the flag bearers and the mobilizers. The excellent work you are doing in the support of NRM. You have told the people how to work for one another. If those in the opposition who go out to choose you to the other foreign countries, they all want to come back together. Can you guys hear? Thank you very much to the leadership of Kaberamaido.
We are here.
Mobilization. We appeal to you to listen and open the mobilization.